Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. The Queen of Pop, Madonna, is currently in Jamaica celebrating her 62nd birthday. The singer shared these videos and photos from the celebration on her social media account, which includes cameos from her boyfriend and her children. The festivities kicked off with a performance from Jessie Royal before the family danced up a storm to a few dancehall tracks. Madonna has been dubbed the Queen of Pop since the 1980s, having sold over 300 million records worldwide. She is also certified the best-selling female music artist of all time by Guinness World Records. Madonna is known for hits like A Virgin, Vogue, Take a Bow, Frozen, Music, Hung Up, among others. Back in May, the pop star revealed that she tested positive for coronavirus antibodies. Now, Fame Frequency delivered on Saturday night with Strictly Dancehall. The virtual event responded to the recent criticism of the genre and provided fans with 3 straight hours of non-stop dancehall. The event featured DJ Tropical, DJ Xavier and King Taj with the new school dancehall.
No respect from none of them there. The party a shut down, how you did it? Over the tickers, your name them, she in a shut up shot. Ask where the bull are there, yeah. Man full of flow like a river with a power, then it run like a tsunami. Oh, them a silent junkie, humpty, fall off a she monkey, dumpty.
While the Captain Colin Hines took us back to the start of the most popular and sampled genre in the world.
The Captain Colin Hines.
We having a dance and party. VFM them a bring the vibe.
Boy, dance expressions get busy. Obviously, they be about close to the dance floor. Move on. Walk out, baby, walk out.
Fame Frequency continues to bring the heat each and every Saturday night. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.